Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Banjo and Kazooie. First, let's cover the basics. Banjo controls movement, allowing you to walk, run, and jump. Kazooie, residing in Banjo's backpack, provides crucial support. She can flap her wings for a higher jump or peck enemies. Together, they form a dynamic duo, enabling you to navigate the vibrant worlds and overcome initial challenges with ease. Mastering these foundational moves is key to your adventure. Now, let's dive into their combat prowess. The Beak Barge is a strong horizontal attack, perfect for charging into foes. For quicker, successive hits, the Rat-a-tat-rap allows Kazooie to peck rapidly. When facing tougher enemies or hazards, the Wonderwing provides temporary invincibility and flight, consuming a limited resource called golden feathers. These moves are essential for defeating Gruntilda's minions and protecting yourself throughout your journey. Beyond basic movement, Banjo and Kazooie possess several advanced techniques for exploration. The Talon Trot, where Kazooie carries Banjo, significantly increases your ground speed. The Bill Drill allows Kazooie to smash through certain cracked surfaces, revealing hidden paths or items. Furthermore, utilizing flight pads lets you soar through the air, while shock jump pads provide a powerful vertical boost, helping you reach elevated platforms and secret areas. Finally, let's discuss the vital collectibles that drive your progress. Jiggies, the golden jigsaw pieces, are your primary objective, with 10 required to unlock each new world. Musical notes are equally important, as collecting a certain number opens note doors, granting access to new areas within a world. Don't forget Mumbo tokens. These allow Mumbo Jumbo to transform you into various creatures, offering unique abilities to solve puzzles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.